Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X3 M40i versus the Porsche Macan GTS. Let's dive into their performance. The BMW X3 M40i delivers a robust 382 horsepower from its turbocharged inline-six engine, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.1 seconds. The Porsche Macan GTS, however, ups the ante with 434 horsepower from its twin-turbo V6, reaching 60 miles per hour in a quicker 3.7 seconds. While both offer thrilling acceleration, the Macan GTS often feels more agile and connected on the road. Moving inside, both SUVs offer premium cabins. The BMW X3 M40i provides a modern interior with a 12.3-inch central information display and a matching digital instrument cluster, alongside comfortable sport seats. The Porsche Macan GTS counters with an 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring standard Apple CarPlay and luxurious leather and Alcantara upholstery. For practicality, the X3 offers 28.7 cubic feet of cargo space, which expands to 62.7 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, while the Macan provides 17.2 cubic feet, growing to 53.1 cubic feet. When considering value, the BMW X3 M40i typically starts around $61,900, presenting a compelling performance package for its price. The Porsche Macan GTS, positioned as a more premium offering, has a starting price closer to $86,800. In terms of fuel efficiency, the X3 M40i averages about 23 miles per gallon combined, making it slightly more economical at the pump. The Macan GTS, with its higher performance, generally achieves around 19 miles per gallon combined. So, which performance SUV is right for you? If you prioritize a blend of strong performance, everyday practicality, and a more accessible price point, the BMW X3 M40i is an excellent choice. However, if you seek the ultimate in driving dynamics, a more engaging chassis, and don't mind the higher price tag, the Porsche Macan GTS truly shines. Both are fantastic, but cater to slightly different desires. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.